So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use just a single foot control to control all of these things and anything else you happen to need to use with the foot control without unplugging it or buying multiples of these. So this is all you really need for this whole thing. It's just a DJ power strip. So you can turn on and off the power source for each one of your tools, and your foot controls will control when power goes through it. This particular power strip can do up to 8 different channels. They also sell one that is for only 4 channels, and it's about half the price too. So if you don't need this many, then I would say go for that one. So I'll have links to both of these items in the description below if you're interested in buying one. So let me get this thing unpacked so I can show you how to set it up. So for the pedal setup, I did have to get in a small extension cord. I think this is a 5-foot one, so everything actually will reach one another. But it's pretty self-explanatory. This will plug directly against the wall, so then you'll plug it into the main power of the switch box, and then the switch box will have plugs behind each one of these that goes to each one of your tools, and you just flip these to turn on your tools or turn them off. So yeah, pretty easy, and it makes it so you don't have to buy multiple pedals. So see, you can't just barely press this, you have to all the way or nothing. And certain things will work like that, and other ones work totally fine with the speed control. So yeah, it's as simple as it looks, and it makes it so you don't have to buy a bunch of pedals. And the reason why I even made this or even thought of this was I saw a picture of someone's desk that had 4 foot control pedals underneath it, and I thought there's got to be a way to do this with just one, and this is what I found. So if you liked the video, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want more videos like this or more videos on showing you how to make jewelry, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I try to get out a video every week. Alright, well thanks for watching and see you guys next time.